จากท่าเรือหัวลำโพงค่ะเราลงเรือไฟฟ้าแล้วมาต่อที่ Underground Train หรือ MRT นะคะเรากำลังจะไปวัดมังกรแค่วันสเตชันเท่านั้นเองค่ะ
Okay guys, this is I think the third trip of the train here. So we're in the underground of Hua Lampong Station train here. I never ever wait. I think I have been here before. Yeah, I have been here before. I don't know what year was it, but I have been here before. So you might wonder how do I remember? Because I was so young back then. I remember the doors. Because like the BTS doors has like, oh I'm out of breath. The BTS doors has like the gate too, but this one is like empty gate. So this is how I remember the doors. And I'm in underground train here and it's so pitch black dark. You can't even see anything. And that's the clock here guys, the jumbo clock. And don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notification bell to get post notified. I don't know, post notification, post notify, I don't know. Every single video I post so you guys will know. Yeah, I don't even know the word post notify, post notifications, I don't know. I have no clue guys. I have no clue what to say. So we're just waiting here and it's very cold, but I thought underground it's gonna be cold, but it like expectations you thought it was like gonna be cold, but hell no, it's warm and hot, guys. Reality is so bad. So people are coming here to wait for the train. So mommy, can you tell where are we going?
เราจะไปแค่ตรงสถานีวัดมังกรซึ่งเป็นสถานีรถไฟฟ้าใต้ดินที่สวยอีกสถานีหนึ่งค่ะน้องกิ๊กเคยไปหนหนึ่งแล้วตอนที่เรามาอยู่ตรงยมราชเมื่อ3 ปีที่แล้วอันนี้เป็นครั้งที่2ที่เราจะได้ไปเจอตรงสถานีวัดมังกรตรงเยาวราชนะคะโอเครถไฟฟ้าใต้ดินมาแล้วนะคะ
It's here! Wow, it's so fast. Oh my god, there's lots of people in here. Wow. Oh my gosh. This makes me so nervous. Okay guys, we're in the train here. I don't know if you're allowed to film, but I'm able to film my foot. So guys, do you see my shoes here? Not my mom's shoes. My shoes here, guys. They're so pink and beautiful. Wow, you guys could hear the sound of the train, right? Listen. Oh my gosh, it's so loud. We're in an underground train here and look. And like my shoes are so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so loud, guys.
Next station.
I hope you can hear me.
3 doors open on the left.
My shoes are like peach color. I like them. They're so cute and they're so soft. It feels like I'm walking on squishies. It's so wobbly here, guys. Sorry for the loud train noise because I'm in the underground train right now. So yeah, there might be sounds here, but hope you guys could hear me. Hope. So guys, I'll check on you for a few minutes here. Guys, we're already here. Oh my gosh.
โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากรถวัดมังกร Station. Please mind the gap between train and platform.
So for before, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notification bells if you like this video here. And bye.